Okay, question 3. The height of 4 orange seedlings are 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Calculate the variance. This is very simple. This question is statistic. Calculate the variance. So we have we have x. X are the 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. We can also exclude the centimeter. We can exclude the centimeter, and we have f. So they appear once, 2 appear once, 5 appear once, 7 appear once, and also 10 appear once. So we have fx, that is x times f, that is 2, 5, 7, 1. So what is the sum of this summation? Fx is 2 plus 5, so that is 7 plus 1, that is 14. This gives 15. And summation f. Summation f is 1, 2, 3, 4. This gives, okay, this will be 10. So this will be 24. Summation f is 4. So to calculate this, to get our mean, the mean will be summation fx over summation f, which is summation fx is 24 over 6. So the mean is 24 over 4. The mean is 6. So we create another column for x minus x bar, and this is the mean, which is the x bar, and these are the x. The x bar now is x bar is 6. So 2 minus 6, this is minus 4. 5 minus 6, this is minus 1. 7 minus 6, this is 1. And 10 minus 6, this is 7 minus 6 is 1. 10 minus 6, this is 4. So the next column, we create another column which is x minus x bar square. X minus x bar square. So this is the square of this column. This is the square of minus 4 square. This will be 16. Minus 1 will be 1. 1 will be 1. And this also will be 16. So this, when you add this will give 34. So we create another column which is x minus x bar all square. So we are multiplying this f with this column. We are multiplying this column with this column. That will be 1 times 16 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 here is 1. And 1 times 16 is 16. So summation f x minus x bar equals 34 equals 34. So to calculate the variance is equals to summation f x minus x bar square over summation f. So the variance will be equals to summation f x minus x bar square is 34 divided by summation f, which is summation f, which is 4. So the variance is equals to 34 divided by 4. This gives 8.5. So let's go back to the options and pick the correct option. A is 7.2, B is 6.0, C is 8.5, and D is 9.1. So option C is very correct. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video.